Collectible Show. My name is Steve Munson, and I am the Civil War Guru. And today, in for appraisal and evaluation, is really a neat piece. This is a Civil War rifle, and this is called a naval rifle. And it is a 2-barrel band. It has the 31.5-inch barrel. And the Navy models, and this is an Enfield, of course, it has the 5-groove rifle, which was strictly made for the Navy. This gun actually came out of an attic, and this is what I really enjoy seeing these. We call these attic guns in the collector arena. This has been in an attic for forever, and it's just absolutely untouched. The only thing that's been done to the gun is the owner put the nipple was destroyed, so he put a new nipple in it. But other than that, it's not been touched. But back to the gun itself. This is absolutely untouched. And as you can see, it looks like it's been in an attic. But these had a long-range sight on them, which we'll bring it up so you can see it. And what's unusual about this, and for a naval musket, it has all iron hardware. Because some of the Enfields have brass butt plates and brass trigger guards and brass nose caps here. But the exciting part about this particular gun is it has the original naval cutlass and scabbard that goes with it. And this affixes here on the forward part of the gun, just like a bayonet. And this is a full-size cutlass. It has a 26-inch blade. It's almost a couple inches wide here. And they were made by A.E. Holler. And of course that's a European-made blade. Has its original scabbard. And that's just been together forever. So for me, as a collector myself, I just love to see something comes in untouched. And condition on this, being a naval gun, you can see the surface pitting on it. This was around water a lot. But then somewhere it was stored. And like I say, it came out of an attic not very long ago in the state of Mississippi. Now also I have here is an Enfield grouping here. Of course this didn't come with the gun, but I put this here because there's a lot of collectors out there that run across these things and they're not quite sure how to identify them or what they are. And this is a cartridge box, of course English, and I'm going to reach down kind of in front of the camera here. And here's the original tin of, and of course the camera guy will get up here in a second. But here's the original percussion caps. Has the original tampion. And this tampion fits into the muzzle of the gun to keep debris out. And then you have the sergeant's tool, I call them armorer's tool. This is a tool that was used to work on the gun. And it's a multi-purpose tool. It fits together. You got a screwdriver, and I'll bring it in where you can actually see it. It's a screwdriver, it's a punch. You have different bits that go with it. This is a worm puller. This is also, it's threaded here on the end. This is to pull out a stuck musket ball. But this was a complete little set, and that's what would have been inside of this little box here. All the tools, percussion caps. And that's what would have been with this particular Enfield. And this Enfield was made by Tower. And it's called a P58. They were made in 1858. But it's fun to see one of these. I haven't seen one of these things out on the market since actually about 1968. This is the first one I've seen altogether, untouched. And I've seen, of course, other ones in museums. But it's kind of a neat piece. And these things will fool you on their value. Complete like that, this is going to run between $2,000 and $2,500, even in the condition it's in. But it's a wonderful piece, and in my opinion, I think it was Southern used. And I think it's a wonderful piece for anybody's collection, especially if you're collecting Navy. So from old Civil War Guru, have a great day.